You know who you are, and you know what you want. Who you are is a unique individual with skills and dreams that are all your own. And what you want is to finish high school and serve your country. If you're 18 or older and didn't graduate high school, the Guard can help you earn your GED certificate through the GED Plus program. GED Plus is an intensive 12, 16, or 21-day course that pays you while you earn your diploma. And as soon as you complete the GED Plus program, you'll be ready to enlist and start your Guard training. With your GED certificate, a world of opportunities suddenly opens to you, including the chance to serve your country in the Guard. In the Guard, you can choose from more than 200 military occupation specialties, and the skills learned in these jobs will pave the way for your success in the civilian workforce. What's more, you'll be part of a team that's as dedicated to your success as you are. So if you're ready to get your future started, call 1-800-GO-GUARD or go to nationalguard.com to contact your local recruiter today and learn more about GED Plus.